Hello, Pharma aspirants. Welcome back to our series on the drug development life cycle. This episode will dive into a very crucial and exciting part of the journey, phase 1 clinical trials, also known as first in human studies. This phase marks the very first time an investigational drug is administered to human subjects after promising results in clinical animal studies. The primary goal of a phase 1 trial is to evaluate the safety of the drug and determine a safe and tolerable dosage range. It also helps researchers understand how the drug behaves in the human body, what we call pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. To put it simply, pharmacokinetics is the study of how the body absorbs, distributes, metabolizes, and excretes the drug. Meanwhile, pharmacodynamics looks at how the drug affects the body, such as changes in biomarkers or how well it binds to its target receptor. Typically, phase 1 trials involve a small group of 20 to 100 healthy volunteers. Although in some serious diseases areas like cancer or HIV, patient may be used instead of healthy individuals. These trials follow strict inclusion and exclusion criteria to minimize risks and ensure participant safety. In terms of study design, phase 1 is often open label, meaning both researchers and participants know what is being administered. Some studies may be randomized or single blind depending on the need. One of the most important elements of phase 1 is the dose escalation process, which helps determine how much of the drug can be given safely. This is typically done in two ways: SAD or single ascending dose studies, where participants receive a single dose that increases with each new group, and MAD or multiple ascending studies, where the drug is administered repeatedly over several days or weeks to dosages accumulation and long-term effects. During the study, a wide range of data is collected. This includes adverse events or side effects, vital signs like blood pressure, heart rate, electrocardiograms, monitor heart activity, blood, urine tests, check liver and kidney function. On the pharmacokinetics side, parameters such as Cmax, Max, AUC are measured. These values help researchers understand the drug's movement and duration in the body. Ethical oversight is a key part of every phase 1 trial. The study must be approved by an ethics committee, often referred to as institutional review board or independent ethics committee. Every participant must give informed consent, meaning they fully understand the risks and goals of the study before enrolling. In more complex or high-risk studies, a data safety monitoring board may be formed to independently monitor safety data throughout the trial. In the United States, these trials are conducted under an investigational new drug application submitted to the FDA. All activities must follow good clinical practices guidelines to ensure scientific integrity and participant safety. The duration of a phase 1 trial is usually 1 to 3 months, but this can vary depending on the drug and trial design. It's important to note that phase 1 is not designed to assess efficacy, whether the drug works. However, in certain cases involving patients, researchers may observe preliminary signs of effectiveness, which can be encouraging for further development. Many drug candidates fail during this phase due to poor safety profiles or unfavorable pharmacokinetic properties. For those that pass, next step is phase 2 trials. Here researchers begin to explore the drug's actual therapeutic effects in a larger group of patients. So to summarize, phase 1 is the foundation of clinical development, a safety first phase that bridges the lab to real human data. It helps determine how much of a drug can be safely given, how it behaves in the human body, and how well the body tolerates it, setting the stage for all future clinical progress. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll explore phase 2 clinical trials and dive deeper into the evaluation of efficacy and side effect profiles in larger patient populations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying this drug development journey. Thank you. Thank you for watching.